Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video I'll show you how to remove a radio in 2007 Chrysler Aspen. Same thing as Dodge Durango. So actually what we're gonna need, we're gonna need a 7mm socket and flathead screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so got this car at the auction, and it was actually very dirty. So I'll show you how to do this. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have to remove this whole panel. It comes out in a whole like a whole piece. Then there will be 2 screws under it. We're gonna unscrew them, take the panel out, and then we'll be able to get the radio out. So first thing, let's remove this panel here. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. Take a screwdriver carefully. Obviously, if you have a plastic tools, use plastic tools. If you don't, use a screwdriver. You can put some tape around it and it's gonna work fine. You're not gonna scratch plastic. So try to get your screwdriver carefully in here and raise it up. But again, carefully, slowly. You don't want to break anything, scratch anything. You just want to remove this plastic piece. So and just get it out. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, this is dirty. Next step, we'll have to remove. What we can do now, we can remove. There are 2 screws under it. See this one here, and the other one somewhere here. Hope it's visible. And yeah, we're gonna use a ratchet to remove them. So remove those 2 screws. Okay, got the 2 screws out. Just drop them here, and we should be able to pull on the bottom. Okay, get the clips out and continue pulling it out. Carefully wiggle it out, and here we go, all set. All right, now let's do this. Let's remove the top connector. Okay, so I used the flathead screwdriver to help me out. Next step, we just spin to the side like this. This is good. Okay, we could actually remove all these connectors, but it's really not necessary right now. Next step, 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Screw them out. We have 4 screws out. Same place. Now we should be able to wiggle out. I know guys, the sun is in front of us, actually it's not comfortable for you to see, but sorry. Now we've wiggled the radio out, and now we will unplug these 2 connectors and the antenna. So to unplug it, you press the middle piece down and pull out. Same thing here, you press the middle piece down and pull out. So here. Okay, so here we have the radio. So very simple, as you can see. Just pull everything out. Now this is the part number for the radio. If you want to buy the used one, you can just search for the same radio on eBay or any used parts place. This is the part number you should use. Okay. With your actually I have used other part numbers with these radios. These are very common radios actually. They come in all Jeeps, Dodge and Chrysler, so it's not a problem. If yours out, your radio is bad, it's very easy to get the new one. Yeah, so once you have the new radio, put it back in. So how we do this? Plug the connectors and the antenna. Connectors 1, 2, 3, and then wiggle back in. Okay, now 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, put them back in. Once you have the 4 screws back in, you just connect the connector here. So it clicks, and now wiggle the panel back. Okay, so wiggle the top in first. I'll take the two screws you left, 2 screws from here, and put them back in. Once you have 2 screws back in place here, just take this bottom piece and wiggle it. Click it back in place, and you are all set. Okay, so this is how you change the radio. Where's the key? Okay, so if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.